What is going on, everyone? Welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some veggies side for anything you might be eating, either rice, just trying to eat it by itself. Alright, so I'm going to explain to you what is on this plate. So right there, so you guys can see some eggplant, some tomato, some mushroom, beetroot, and you can see there are several type of beetroot I'm using. So I'm using just the regular one you can get at Walmart, and this one right here, the one that have like a red and a green side with some white color. So that was plucked from the garden. So this one is directly from the garden. Now you guys can see, so I got some cucumbers right here. So the main thing in time of eating, because most of the time you don't just want to eat because of the what they call the beauty, but you want to eat for the nutrition. So that's the main thing, you guys, which is what I'm trying to do, and just teach you guys ways to eat some healthy diet, or to switch to some sustainable diet. So from this fruit, so I add some seasoning. So the seasoning I added include some fresh ginger, rosemary, salt, and black pepper. So, and you guys can see there is some oil where I use to marinate just these veggies. So I use olive oil now to marinate these veggies. So what I did right now, so I've already turned on my oven to bake at 375, and the oven had already been preheat. So the main thing, whenever you guys are cooking your veggies similar to this, you don't want the veggies to be dried. So that is why I preheat my oven before I even start cutting these veggies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place these veggies inside the oven for about 3 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to turn off the oven and just let the heat just cook these veggies to the core. All right, guys, if you guys have any question, make sure you guys comment down below any question you guys might have. And if you guys, and also I'm going to be making some video, because I did some cooking adventure just this past week. So I'm going to be making a collaborative video for that all 1 week, so you guys can see the importance of just eating some switching to some sustainable diet. And I think in the video is also going to highlight how to make some Mediterranean diet, which was one of the main thing I love about this food adventure. I think I learned how to make some flip burger from just substituting just plant protein with just a little bit of animal protein, and makes some nice burger, which also tastes the same way as just a regular burger. But in that situation, you are only consuming less meat. So that means you're consuming less meat and focusing on a lot of plant protein, which is very ideal and very healthy in terms of just the way the plant protein, all those fiber, and getting those high protein diet, especially from their lentils, which was added to the flip burger. So I'm not going to be, the main focus of this video is not to highlight what is about to come, but just to give you an insight. So whenever you guys saw that video, so you guys can click right along and make sure you guys check this video out. But in this case, just for this, that you guys can see how beautiful this stuff is right here. This veggies is right here. So most of the time, if you guys are just want to have some nice healthy day, just most of the time I usually add from people that eating healthy is expensive, but most of the, if you do it right, it's not really expensive. If you know where to shop for all these veggies, like shopping at your local farmers market, so you can get all this cheap, and you can get some nice discount from those farmers, because most of those farmers want to sell this produce right away. They don't want to hold this, because they know if they hold this, it's going to get spoiled. So eating healthy is expensive, but it's not really expensive. The main thing is, if you know where to shop for those healthy food, then there's not going to be any problem in terms of eating healthy. So you guys can see right here, this is an healthy diet you can add along with your rice, or you can just eat this just by itself. You guys are going to see how beautiful this vegetable is going to be when it's done in the oven. All right, guys, let's place this in the oven. You guys can see the heat is nice and blow. Just right there. Let's place it in the oven. I think we're going to do about 2-3 minutes. Let's do 3 minutes. Then from there, let's see. So right there, so we're going to do about 2-3 minutes. Then from there, we're going to take it out. You guys are going to see how beautiful and tasty this veggies is going to be. All right, guys, the 3 minutes starts now. Hi, welcome back. So right here, this is how your vegetable should look like. You guys can see right there, nice and good. So right now, I'm going to combine everything, this vegetable, the homemade sauce, and this whole wheat pasta. Now we're going to design this plate. Let's get this started. All right, first of all, we're going to get the eggplant. So when you design your plate, then you guys are going to see how beautiful this is going to look. You guys can see the tomato is nice and melt, just like that. Now I'm going to get some beets, just some of the special beets right here, nice and good. I'm going to get some of these cucumbers, if I can grab them, just nice and good. Now we're going to get some of these just tiny tomato. So you just want to make your plate look nice and good. Now we're going to get the regular beet, nice, and just create the entrance right there. And we're going to finish it up with adding some let's see, what can we add? You know what, let's add tomato and some mushroom, just right there. Now you guys can see my plate, nice and beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add this nice homemade sauce. So what you want to do, just nice and stir it together, just like that. The only seasoning I add to this is just salt, just like that, and just nice and spread it. Just spread it on your spaghetti too, just like that. And guys, here you have it right there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, share this with your friend, so you can consider this a Mediterranean diet. This can be considered a Mediterranean diet. All right, guys, I'm going to see you in the next edition of this homemade cooking using sustainable produce. All right, guys, take a taste of it.